Hello, Aurora. Good evening.
Hello.
Okay. How are you today, Aurora?
Good.
Okay. Uh, can I start now, Aurora?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, here we go. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Our lesson today still about object-oriented programming, but uh, our topic today is about inheritance. Do you know about inheritance? What is inheritance?
No. No.
Inheritance in
I don't
Indonesia,
know.
biasa.
Oh, kayak I forgot.
I forgot. Okay, let's see. Translate. Ah, warisan. Do you know about warisan?
Yes.
Can you explain to me a little bit about inheritance in real life?
So like if someone has like a property and then example they died, they'll like inherit it to their I don't know, like son or their children. Yes.
Uh, okay, yeah. Something like if your cat has black eyes and then your mom has black eyes and then uh, your uh, has the same eyes, black eyes, for example. Yeah. Okay. Now, we have already said that creating objects and classes is the foundation of game development. Last time, you first created a class and programmed a text quest using it. Yeah. Okay. Using the hero class, you're able to create a few characters. For example, the knight, the rascal, and the dragon. So remember, Aurora, about this last
The
week?
night. Oh yes.
We get hero class and then create the knight object, rascal object. I forgot about the last, uh, about the dragon object. As we can see in the picture, the knight object, the rascal object, and the dragon object have has the same property. For example, like health, attack force, armor, and then for the method, the attack method. Yeah. Knight, Rasa, Dragon has this property. Yeah. So we can create the object using hero class. Okay. Improving game object. In a real game, the characters would have different properties and method. For example, like the knight object, for the property we have armor, and then for Rasa object we have agility, and then for the last one, dragon object has property magic. And for the method, as we can see here, for knight object, we have sword attack. And then for Russell object, we have sword arrow. And then for the last one, cast a spell and fire attack for the dragon. Okay. Now, do we really have to create a separate class for each type of object? What do you think, Aurora? Do do we really have to create a separate class for each type of object? For example, like we need to create the knight class and then the Russell class and then the dragon class. What do you think? Or we can still using the hero class, or we should separate it with different object. So we need to create the knight
We should separate
class.
it.
How? What do you think?
We should separate it.
Okay, why?
Because also like the system doesn't get confused.
Okay.
Kayak,
Is that your opinion?
yes.
Okay, but let's see. For the next slide. In real
Okay.
life, we also sometimes talk about object in general, and sometimes more specifically. For comparison, as you can see here, there is a computer, and then one for the example is computer running Linux, and then the other we can call computer running using Windows, and then
Yes.
Mac OS, and then what about Android, maybe Android and etc. But we call it computer, Aura. Is it true?
No.
Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, we call it computer. But you said no
Wait, what?
about this. We have
What was the
we mhm.
what was the question?
For comparison like computer. For example, computer running Linux, and then the
Yeah.
other uh, we use like computer running Windows, and then Mac OS, and so on. Yeah, but we call it computer. Why?
Because
It's same example like the
it's like itu yang overall like what it's the like what type is the thing that you just said gitu.
okay, because Linux, Windows, and Mac OS have function as same as computer, right?
Yeah.
We can type it using like, for example, like Notepad, Microsoft Word, and then we can do browsing and then social media and so on, as same as the function of the computer. Ah, okay, and then for the games, uh, for example, we has RPG computer games here, and then do you know like puzzle games,
Yeah.
and then football
Yes.
games, and then cooking games, and then anything else, yeah. Okay. But we call it games. Why?
Okay. Because
Why I rest my hand? Wait, wait. Oh, it's okay. We can lower hand. Just ignore it.
uh,
Okay. I will lower hand after this. Okay. Why we call it with games? I think the view is different. Football games and cooking games is different. But why we call it games, Aurora?
um,
The view is different,
because
right? The view is
yeah,
different, but why we call it with games?
because it's still games kayak it's just the type that is different.
Yeah.
I don't
Why? The view, the function, the is different. That do you know like puzzle? We need to use our brain uh like just like that lah. Okay. Uh why we call it with games? Because all the type, all the kind of like puzzle game, football, it can entertain ourselves, right? It's the
oh
function
yes.
of games. Okay, so our games, the function are same like to entertain ourselves. Uh, okay, not
Okay.
making we like more stressful. Okay, nah, just like that, yeah. Nah,
Okay.
this concept is called inheritance. Uh, we can call the computer and games with parent class. And then for computer using Linux, Mac OS, and then Windows, we call it derived class. Derived class. Yeah. Puzzle game, football game, adventure game, and so on. We call it with derived class. Okay. Can you understand it? Or still confused about the theory? About
Wait,
parent
so
class?
the
Hmm?
so
Like child
parents.
class. Child class. Ah, child class. Like this. Child class, parent class. And then
Okay.
sometimes people call it with super class and then subclass. Okay. Understand, Aura? Or still confused about the concept, the theory?
Oh, I understand.
Okay. Ah, okay. Today you will learn what a superclass and a derived class are. Create your own derived class in two ways. Use inheritance to create the interactive hit game. Okay. Get started on the work task. Okay. Okay. What is a class? What is an instance of a class? Okay. Okay. A class is a common name for lots of objects. For simply, sometimes I call class like template to create object. So if you want to create a car object, we just define how much the door, how much the window, and then how much the wheels, and then it can move, it can turn left, turn right, and so on. The knowledge about all these objects. Okay. Which Python standard library class? Ah, Turtle. Still remember about Turtle?
Yeah.
Uh-uh. What Turtle used for?
Is it to create like the
To
to
drawing.
create? Yeah, to create image.
Ah, okay. What is a class constructor? Does it have an universal name? Constructor is a method that is automatically called when an object is created. It creates an instance of the class. Okay. How we get the class? Just write the class and then class name, and then just put the constructor and then for the method. Okay, just that. Okay, let's go with the lesson inheritance. Okay, we can skip this part. Now, almost all classes are parents of some classes and derived classes of others. For example, all computer games are programs. Is it true? All
Yeah.
computer games are programs. But
Yes.
but all program uh, are not computer games. Sometimes program is like Microsoft Office, sometimes like accounting program, and so on. Okay, and then all cats are animals, but no all animals are cats. Sometimes it's dog, and then mouse, and then like rabbit, and so on. Okay, do you agree with my opinion?
Yeah.
Yeah, all desks are tables, but all tables are not desks. All commands are inertia bodies and so on. Automobiles are models of transportation. Okay. If we see like Venn diagram, it will show like this. A inside B. Okay, next slide. Uh, when you call an animal a cat, do you not need to specify that cat is not fly? Most animals cannot fly. When you call a drink tea, you do not need to specify that it is liquid and that it can quench your thirst. Okay. In object-oriented programming, class inheritance help transfer all the skills previously written for a more general class into another, more private class, the inheriting class. Okay. If you see this diagram, B is superclass and then A is subclass, child class, parent class, child class. Uh, A have a same property and method with uh, the parent. Okay, so if B has name, A also have name. If B has turn left, for example, turn left method, A also have turn left because A is derived class, child class. But B does not have properties and method of A. For example, A has like help, for example. A has help, but B doesn't has help. Okay, because B is superclass. Class A is nested within class B. For your note, is it clear or still confused about the concept?
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Okay. Nah, okay, maybe we can skip this part. Creating a derived class. Supposing the superclass has already been written. Then, to create a derived class, we need to, when creating a derived class, specify the name of the superclass. Okay. For example, like child class, for name. For example, child class, uh, superclass name inside the parentheses. Yeah. Add the necessary method to the derived class. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we can next slide. Go to the next slide. We will see the example. Wait. Let's look at the practice task. There is a snippet of code with the hero class. The task to implement the various derived class according to this diagram. We can see hero class, the variable class, super class, child class, uh, mm, sorry, super class, parent class, child class, subclass. Hero has name, health, armor. The child class, I mean the warrior, also have name, health, armor. The method same, but for the side class we have additional method. We call it with creating and sword attack. Okay, how do we create that? Like this. Yeah, we create class hero. This is the parent class, super class. Yeah, and then for derived class, just write like this: class name. Inside the parentheses, we need to put parent class, hero class. Okay, the parent class, uh, and then just add the additional method, hello and attack, greeting and attack. Yeah, we no need to add print info because the parent class has print info method. Yeah, okay, just like this. And then when we want to create variable class, variable object, just create varchar and then just put the method, the property. Sorry, Henry 150. It means name, health, armor. But we use variable class. Yeah, variable class. Yeah, but we use constructor of hero class. Is it clear or still confused about the concept? We use variable, but there is no constructor here. Just hello and attack. But we can use hero constructor. Name, health, armor. Is it
Okay.
clear? Okay, Okay, variable one, hello. Hello. We got hello from. This one. Attack, we can get it from this part. Okay. We can also do print info. Yeah. Variable one dot print info. We can do that. Okay. This one is uh, inside the variable class. Hello and attack. Yeah. Hello and attack. Yeah. Just type this one. Okay. Uh, for your task today, create variable and magician derived class of the hero superclass. Yeah. But it's okay. I will copy it for you. Yeah. Okay. Just go to wait. 5. Uh, Module number 5. Lesson 5. Number 7. Okay. Your turn to share your screen, Aurora. Uh,
Okay. Wait.
I will share the okay. Lesson 5. Number 7.
This.
Mm-hmm. Huh? Number 5. Number 7. Ah, this one. Yeah. Then program the derived classes of the hero superclass. You can see your meeting chat, Aurora, to help you.
Okay. Nggak bisa dibuka.
Hmm?
Nggak jadi nggak jadi. Oh, select this one. Ini ya.
Just create the chat class
Build
variant.
fighter. Oh, fight. Battle and. Hey, what
Uh,
is this different? I don't know which one. I think I got it wrong.
Class variant. Hero. Class variant. The second
Wait.
picture.
Oh, okay. Wait, I'm gonna. Death attack.
Mm-mm. Don't forget to create the class name.
This here.
No, no, no. Class barrier. Here. Class barrier and then hero. Using lowercase class. Mm.
Eh,
Inside the bracket parentheses ya.
yes.
Baru
Oke, aku
yang kalau ini menentang angin ya, karena mau tidur.
Okay. Hmm.
Mhm.
Conditional sentence should be has
Hmm?
colon. If enemy dot armor,
If enemy.
forgot with the
Not-
you forgot with the colon. If enemy colon
Ah. Hmm. Enemy dot armor.
equal less than. Are you sure?
Oh iya.
I think this line should be moved forward, Aurora.
Okay.
Okay. Have you done type it?
Wait, almost.
Just type it on this line, yeah?
Okay.
It's fine. Mm-mm. Now it's armor and head level. Where is end head level?
Sleep. Fine. And then
Please check this part.
This
Enemy that are more after that.
what
STR enemy that are more, and then after that,
plus? Oh, right. Oh, a terrible upon enemy. No, it's armor. And health level. Oh,
plus,
oh,
plus symbol.
oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Please make it move forward. Make it move forward.
This
Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's start to create the object. Okay. Uh, variable like this.
warrior one.
Okay, you can start to click at this line. Yeah. Okay. Try to run your code first. Uh, okay. That's good. Okay. Next one. Please open the task again. Uh, okay. Nah, following the instructions, program the warrior and magician hero derived classes. Then create instance of the derived classes and test their interaction. Yeah. Now let's create. We have time to create warrior class. Yeah. For the next one, we need to create a magician hero. Yeah, derived classes. Okay. I will help you to create the instance. You can use this one. Here we go. Ah, just
Okay.
put the code at below magician. You type the N twice.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we need to create a magician class. Uh, you can uh, use this template, yeah, to create magician class Aurora, yeah. But the sentence, yeah, just follow this one. New hero. Out of nowhere, a skilled wizard appears. No. Okay. At level 50, and then armor class 20. Okay. Just create magician class using this template, but please change the sentence. I think this one is same, and this one is same. Can you try it to create
So I just
magician class?
copy and then just change the ito.
Yeah, you can create the magician class at this slide. Yeah, just copy it. It's okay. There's no problem.
Here.
No, below slide 5, below slide 5, this line.
Okay.
Yeah, class magician.
Classification.
At this line, this line. Oh, this line. It's still
Oh, this.
method. Yeah, it's still attack method.
Oh.
Ah, class magician.
Mm.
Same as this one. Yeah,
Hero.
yeah. Def. Okay. Just change the sentence.
So which one?
This one, your hero out of nowhere. Skilled
Oh,
wizard
okay.
appears.
Eh.
Look, self name, yeah. Okay. And then what about the attack method? You can see the picture.
Oh, hit a brave warrior.
Click the picture. Uh, Follow the sentence. Yeah. But
With
the conditional using this template. Yeah. You just need to change the sentence. Hit the brave. But for magician, hit the agile. Magician. Self name. Oh, sorry. Enemy name. Oh, yeah. Self name. Yeah. Self name. Test the
okay.
spell on enemy name.
Okay.
Can you try to create it?
Yes.
Okay.
The brave warrior is attacking. The rebel.
Just type it.
The agile.
Listing plate. Listing the agile magician.
Wait. Shit. Yan is attacking. On is attacking. Cast a spell on her.
Henry. Enemy that name. Yeah. Enemy that name. You can delete. You can delete diploma. Yeah. Okay. Let's continue with the
The
second.
complicated sword stuns the enemy. Stuns the enemy. So like that.
In the agile magician. The complicated spell on enemy. Hmm. Uh, Please check again.
Okay.
Uh, Enemy. Now his armor. Eh, Sorry. Now his armor and head level.
Huh? What? Wait, what?
The complicated spell stuns the enemy. Yeah. Open again. And the enemy. And then please add backslash n for new line. Now his armor. This one is 15. 15 is mm, enemy armor.
Enemy armor.
Enemy armor, yeah. And health level, enemy health, yeah. It just add now his armor.
Now, stirring enemy armor.
Yeah,
What I... Oh, his armor. Wait. Now his armor.
now his armor.
Here.
Using backslash n for new line for enter.
What?
Using backslash n like this for enter new line.
Oh, where? Here.
Yeah, backslash n.
Backslash.
Backslash n. Don't forget. Yeah. The color the quote.
Oh, yeah. Eh,
Yeah.
what?
The
And
quote, the quote.
the quote
Now
where?
his armor.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Mhm. Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's start to create call attack method. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay. End of your line. The code.
Where? What?
Please add this code.
Here, this one.
Yeah. Okay. 50.
Okay.
Okay. Try to run your code. Okay. Good job. Okay. So far, any question, Aurora?
No.
About creating object and then type class? You just need to type the parent class inside the parentheses. It's just that. Okay. About the
Oh,
property and the method. Uh, if you use type class, you don't need to create the method and the property again because you can get from the parent class. Okay, like you can go up your foot. Uh, okay, like this. Okay, you no need to create name that are more for barrier and magician because you can call from the parent class. Yeah, like this. Name, health, armor. Just that. Yeah.
yeah.
Therefore, in it constructor, you just need to create go down uh, just like this. Just like this to create the object, the instance. Again,
Okay.
are you sure? Understand about this material?
Wait.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. In
Wait,
the
what does self means?
so this part, which one? Which one?
Like any self.
This one? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Self, like ourself. For example, like okay, go down. Okay. Variable equal variable Henry 150. Okay. We can go to variable class. Okay. And then because of variable class, can you go up?
Oh, okay.
Uh, because of a variable is child class of hero class, we need to call hero class. Okay. Self, ourself, the object, the instance, name, health, armor.
Oh, okay.
Self represent the object, the instance. But if you use like this one, enemy, the other object. Self mean ourselves, and then enemy, the other objects. Enemy name, self name, just that.
Okay.
Again,
Okay.
not not yet. Okay, if there's no question again, it's okay. We can stop the lesson for today. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ara, for today. We will meet again next week at Wednesday at 7 o'clock p.m. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for today, Aura. See you next week
Okay.
and bye bye, Aura.
Bye. Thank you.